The SENSARTE 14% nonstick set is designed for everyday cooking. It includes various pots and pans, so you can handle different recipes. The ceramic nonstick coating is a key feature. It helps prevent food from sticking. Cleaning is easier. You can wash them in the sink or even in the dishwasher. The set is also oven safe, giving you more cooking options. The included lids are clear, which improves visibility. You can see how your food is cooking without lifting the lid. This helps keep the heat consistent. The handles are designed for a comfortable grip. This makes it easier to transfer food from the stove to the table. The set aims to simplify kitchen management. This SENSARTE 14% nonstick set focuses on healthy cooking. It's free from PFAS, PTFE, and PFOA. These are chemicals that some people worry about. The ceramic coating is meant to be safer. The pots and pans heat up evenly. This helps your food cook properly. The variety of sizes in the set allows for different cooking scenarios. You can use a small pan for eggs or a large pot for soup. The set is practical for daily use. While the product page may highlight various initiatives or cloud-based features in other products, this set focuses on basic, effective cooking. The content of the set is straightforward. Pots, pans, and lids. There isn't any complicated technology involved. The SENSARTE 14% nonstick set is a decent choice for those seeking a basic, non-toxic cookware set. The nonstick surface performs adequately for most cooking needs. The set is relatively easy to clean. However, like all nonstick cookware, it requires careful handling. Avoid using metal utensils to prevent scratching. The manufacturer provides a warranty, which is a good thing. It gives you some peace of mind. It's important to note that no cookware is completely indestructible. While the ceramic is durable, it is not meant to withstand heavy abuse or rough handling. If you treat it well, the SENSARTE 14% nonstick set should serve you well. It's designed for simple, everyday cooking, not for heavy-duty professional kitchen surgery. Pros: beautiful design, non-toxic, non-stick surface, easy to clean, dishwasher safe, removable. Handles: oven safe, good price, good customer service, lightweight, even heating, stackable. Cons: handles are cheap, broke, coating wears off, food sticks after use, not high heat durable, lid. Edges trap food, knob on lid broke, pans break easily, loose wooden holder, stains on bottom. Scratches easily, customer service lacking, color changes on bottom features. 14-piece set, ceramic nonstick, healthy cooking, non-toxic, induction safe, dishwasher safe, oven safe, PFAS free, PTFE free, PFOA free. The SENSARTE PASCA 14-piece cookware set offers ceramic nonstick pots and pans designed for healthy cooking. It's made without harmful chemicals like PFAS, PTFE, and PFOA. This set works on induction stoves and is safe for both dishwashers and ovens, making cleanup and cooking easier. The SENSARTE PASCA 14-piece ceramic cookware set is marketed as a healthy, non-stick option with features like removable handles, oven and dishwasher safety, and stackability. While praised for its attractive design, affordability, and initial non-stick performance, some users report issues such as the coating wearing off, food sticking after some use, handles breaking, and the pans being fragile. Additionally, there are concerns about the durability under high heat, lid design flaws, and inconsistent customer service.